Now that you have your account, it doesn't take much to get started building a lesson in Smart Online Learning Suite. With just the click of this plus Add Activities button, you can get started designing. Let's take a look at the types of resources that we can bring into our online lessons built in Smart Online Learning Suite. We can import resources such as a notebook file, a PowerPoint file, a downloaded Google Slides file, a PDF, and bring them right into the online resources for students to interact with. We can bring YouTube videos in. We can work from a blank page and add instructions. Then we have some activity templates that are already available for us. Shout It Out, which is a digital corkboard where students can post their ideas and brainstorm. Responses, which allow you to have formative assessment, quizzes, and opinion polls that show live time data. A variety of game-based activities that you can build in. And then some pre-made resources that might get you started, such as question and reflection activities, graphic organizers, manipulatives, prior knowledge activities. So let's just start with a prior knowledge activity. These are built on Shout It Out activities, and I want to find out what our students know about a given topic. So I'm going to click. It'll take just a moment for us to set up our first lesson. Once we've selected that first piece we want to include, we can see that this is an activity, which means we can edit it. Things like different categories our students should sort into. So for instance, topic 1, topic 2. Our students are going to select between 3 different categories. They can contribute up to 2 contributions of text or 2 images, and we can make some changes like showing or hiding the student names based on what it is we're working on. In this case, for the sake of student privacy, I'm going to hide those student names. Then I click Finish. Great. Now I can add more than just one slide to our practice run lesson here. So I'm going to click the plus button again. I'm going to add a new page because I simply want to add a blank page here where I can do some basic instruction. Great. You'll notice that I can move things around with the finger pointer. Add and edit text by clicking the A button here. This Pictures Plus button allows me to add a web link, select an image that I can upload, or go search online to find images I might want to incorporate. I drag it over, and now I've got some graphics right on the page. If I want to reorder the slides, I simply drag and drop to get them in the correct order. Now let's add just one more quick activity that's been pre-made for us. Here I'm going to add a graphics and organizers type activity. We'll do more with that in an upcoming lesson. Great. Now we've got it all set. I'm going to reorganize them. And that's just the basics of uploading an activity to the Smart Online Learning Suite when we start to build a lesson. Let me show you where to save this and properly title it. Up here under the Untitled area, I'm going to switch this to Topics 1 through 3. Intro. Giving it a clear name will make it easier as your library builds of lessons built in the Online Learning Suite. When I'm all done, I click Finish Editing, and I'm returned to my activities library.